So this is the world's strongest water gun that I bought because of TikTok. This is how you fill it up. Now I'm gonna go shoot Alex. What the? Hey Alex, can I shoot you real quick? Today, we're gonna be testing viral TikTok gadgets to see if they work or not. But before we get into that, here are the names on our fridge for this week. And if you want your name on our fridge for an entire week, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and then comment down done when you're done. Speaking of comments, I was reading this comment the other day, and it said, I was also getting fatter. That is not happening. We're not gonna be. This is the only way to tell us apart besides the hair.
We could be twins again if you got
No. Fart into a plastic bag and trick your dad into smelling it. All right, guys, these stairs are getting more and more weird. Hey Dad, you know who's sucking helium balloons?
Yeah.
You want to try it? I just want to see how your voice sounds like.
What the?
Alright guys, now that we did one of your dares, we dare you guys to like this video. So Alex has been playing a lot of video games lately, especially Fortnite. He hasn't been spending any time with me since Season 6 came out. He's been too busy using all the new features like taming the wildlife and crafting weapons. If you don't have Fortnite and want to try it out, there will be a link in the description for you guys to check it out. So I had this really good idea to prank Alex while he's playing Fortnite. He gets really competitive, so I know he'll get really, really mad at this. Oh yeah. Turn it back on, Alex. No, hey. Alex. Give me that remote back. Gosh. Oh man, get back here. Get back here. Get back here. Alex. Hey, Alex, you've been playing way too long now. It's like 1 a.m. Alex, come on, let's go to sleep. I'm gonna put you to sleep, Alex. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Back here. You get that gun and she died. Why is it not moving? Bro, why is it not moving? It's probably because I unplugged the Wi-Fi. Alex, what's your obsession with this game, first off? I can tame wildlife and I have that primal pistol. Hey, why don't you tame your anger issues first? We have to shoot a YouTube video, dude. I'm about to shoot you with my primal pistol. On a serious note, if you guys haven't downloaded Fortnite already, now is the perfect time. In Season 6, you can now hunt wildlife, craft weapons, and do everything it takes to survive. I just wanted to thank Epic Games for sponsoring this video and for my new Fortnite addiction. Now go turn my Wi-Fi back on. Turn it back on! Alright guys, so it's that part of the video where we test viral TikTok gadgets to see if they work or not. We have a lot of gadgets here with us that we're going to be testing out, and if you're excited, be sure to give this video a like. Let's try to get this video to 200,000 likes, and let's try them out. So summer's coming, and if you like watermelon like us, then this next TikTok gadget is perfect for you. So we all know that eating watermelon can be really hard sometimes, and we have a watermelon cube slicer right here, and supposedly it's supposed to slice the watermelon into bite-sized cubes. So for this to work, all you need is a watermelon, a knife, and obviously your watermelon cube slicer. And the first step is to cut the watermelon in half like we already did, and then you stick the watermelon cube slicer in the watermelon like this, and you just push. Simple as that. Whoa! That's actually cool. Whoa! Whoa! Ah! Look how cool this is! Woo! Wow! Look at that. I would say that this is a success, but when I was younger, I would just cut the watermelon in half and just eat it directly like this with a spoon. So we're gonna be testing this TikTok gadget right here. This is an egg pod, and apparently with this, you can cook 4 perfectly hard-boiled eggs in just minutes. All right, so with this measuring cup right here, you're supposed to fill it up. Once it is filled up, you then take it and pour it inside the bottom of the egg pod's container. Now that that's done, you then place the 4 eggs in each of the indicated slots. And there we go. All right, so now we put the lid over it. So the next step is to put this in the microwave for 9 minutes. 9 minutes, here we go. And now I'm gonna take the AirPods out and I'm gonna put it under the sink and let it run. I said AirPods. I said AirPods. You said AirPods. No. Yeah, he did. Take the AirPods out. All right, now you turn on cold water and you let it run over it for a whole 2 minutes. All right, so it's been 2 minutes, and after the 2 minutes, you wanna leave the water inside the egg pods. You wanna put the lid on it, and after it's locked, you wanna shake it vigorously up and down 10 times. No. Here we go. All right. Okay. Ooh, wait a second. Did you open it backwards? Oh, wait. What? No way. This was already pre-peeled. Whoa. Wait a second. Okay, I'm trying one. Dude, it's warm on the inside.
I'm eating another one, like actually. This is actually so good.
I've eaten a lot of boiled eggs in my life. This is actually the best boiled egg I've ever eaten.
So this next TikTok gadget we have right here is a 3-in-1 shower dispenser. It's just something to have that you can add to your shower that makes it look really, really cool. So first slot, we're gonna put shampoo in here. Second one with body wash. This smells so good. And now, finally time for the conditioner.
Dang, this is thick.
Like that ass.
Alright, Sean. Get out of here, Sean. It comes with 4 pieces of tape that we have put in the back of it. Alright, here we go. Alright. Wow. Hey, wait, it's melted now. Perfect. Wait, look at this. Let's see if it works. Shampoo. Wow, look at that. So it does come out. Now we're going to be testing the body wash right here. Woo! And now the conditioner. Wow.
Alright, be right back.
You know what's so interesting about this? Not only is this cool, but I have never seen so much variety and options to choose from in the shower. Most of the time, only thing I use is the 3-in-1 body wash. Wait a second, talk about 3-in-1s. We have a 3-in-1 challenge for you guys. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on our post notifications. And that's a 3-in-1 Stokes Twins special. Is that too pushy, or? That's the YouTube gadget for you guys to try.
So this next gadget we bought from TikTok is actually a really fancy ice maker, and you start by pouring water in between the lines right here, like so. A little bit more. Full. There we go. And after it's filled up, you then take the lid, put it on top of it, and now we're gonna put it in the freezer.
Alright, so I think it's ready. I mean, it feels ready.
Ooh, look at this.
So, you squeeze a little bit right here.
Wait.
After we took that off, I'm gonna be squeezing the ice out. Here we go. Oh my gosh!
Look at this, guys. Whoa.
Dang, don't you guys want to just like bite it?
Ooh,
You can literally use this as like a cup too. So for this next gadget right here, we have a sock slider, and how it's supposed to work is you put a sock right here and you slide your foot through it. Simple as that. All right, now give it a try. Moment of truth right here. Let's see if it works. Oh, whoa. Is it actually working?
Whoa!
Let's see here. Let's use the stick. It's supposed to readjust the sock. What the f? All right, you know what? Use my hand. Okay, how much easier is that? Don't worry. This is a useless gadget right here.
So this next gadget right here is actually a jar opener.
It's really good if you don't have a strong man in your life like me who can open your jars. You can resort to buying this. It's supposed to open jars for you, and we're gonna see if it works or not. All right, so find a jar, put it on top of the jar, and then click open jar right here, and open jar. Here we go, it's clamped on. All right, let's see if it's gonna pop it open. I'm moving away actually. Oh my God.
Oh, whoa! God, it's opening! Whoa! What?
Oh, at least pick it up.
Yeah, wow. There we go. Dude, this is actually so cool. Hey, if you feel like being lazy or if you simply can't open a jar, this gadget is perfect for you. So for this next TikTok gadget, we actually have a cereal dispenser right here.
I'm gonna put cereal on this side, and on the next side, we're gonna be putting some sweets on that side. All right, guys, moment of truth. Let's see if this works or not. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is actually really cool. You know those like bed and breakfast hotels that you go to, and when you wake up, they literally have cereal in containers like this. So, you know, when people walk in our house, they're gonna think they're in a hotel. So this next TikTok gadget right here is actually green slime. And we saw a video showing that slime can actually be used to collect dust or pick up crumbs on keyboards. And we're gonna be putting that to the test right now.
Look at this. Wow.
Oh wait, why is it so sticky? Wait, it's actually so sticky. Is this supposed to be this sticky? Oh my God. Did we buy the wrong slime? So I'm gonna be honest, it doesn't look like it's gonna work. It might have been one of those gadgets where we got trolled. I think when he was buying slime, he was thinking of the slime when he used to slime my car. The slime that used to destroy things, not clean things, Alan. Why are you bringing that up? The car's still broken. Just so you guys know, it still does not work from that slime that he did. Don't buy the slime. It doesn't work. Don't use your slime to clean your laptop because it will destroy your laptop. Also, let's try to get this video to 200,000 likes if you guys enjoyed it. And that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.
I can do that all night, Sean.